Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your device without causing damage. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 4 completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, pulling upwards while using the spudger to carefully pry open the gap. Be patient, as the adhesive can be quite strong. Once you have created a small opening, insert the spudger into the gap and slide it around the perimeter to release the adhesive. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the screen. If you encounter resistance, reapply heat to soften the adhesive further. After successfully removing the screen, you will see the internal components of your Surface Pro 4. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with several screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious, as the battery may still have some charge. If you notice any swelling or damage, handle it with care and consider disposing of it properly. Now it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the connectors and gently press it into place. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the battery. If you find this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. Next, it's important to clean the internal area before reassembling. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Once everything is clean and the new battery is secured, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the base and press down firmly to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. If necessary, you can apply some heat to help the adhesive set. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Microsoft Surface Pro 4. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.